Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of some brand new construction built by Ben Beards and Red Cliff Homes. This home is 737 Basha Arc, great new subdivision, Banmore Estates, real close to Mesilla and Mesilla Plaza. This home is 1970 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom plus an office plus a flex room. Incredible 3-car garage with amazing epoxy flooring on it. Huge backyards, just ready to be landscaped and do your own thing with. So come on in, let's take a look around. Thank you for taking this tour of 737 Basha Arc. Incredible property located in Banmore Estates. Fantastic location, conveniently located near NMSU and Mesilla Plaza and Mesilla area. It's an incredible home, 1970 square feet, 3-bedroom, plus an office, plus a flex room. Huge 3-car garage with an amazing epoxy floor on it. Some of the upgrades are 10-foot ceiling, granite countertops, has stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, Just an incredible property. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, at 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinlascruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.